in Lyon, in the center, in the middle of BIOVISION Forum, this 12th BIOVISION Forum. You have more than 1,200 attendees, more than 150 speakers who are here talking with experts in the public plenary session who's going on, workshops are going on too, but also a big booster program. And we have next to me Jean-Charles Guibert, which is from CEA.
Exactly, I'm from CEA, and on the site we call Innovation Campus on Micro Nanotechnologies.
Oh, wow. Is it a startup?
No, it's a place where we create a full ecosystem to support generation and development of startup.
Oh, and how long have you been?
I've been on this site for 35 years, in fact, and due to all the technology we developed 15 years ago, roughly, we have developed a new model of innovation campus.
But how do that work? I mean, you have your camp.
It's mainly, we have on total, we have roughly specific building for academia research, some for applied research, an incubator, our own incubator, yeah. And so what is really interesting is that we can detect new ideas, we can support them in terms of intellectual property, as well as creating the team for the startup, and we have then our own VC, venture capital, so we can invest up to round 2 within the startup. And all the startup, they can share the equipment platform with us. So in fact, they need a really low capital investment. So on this site, we have created roughly 60 startups, and we have developed from the time it was created.
Wow, is it here in Lyon?
No, in Grenoble, nearby.
Oh, no, nearby. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you have many innovation in a huge amount of innovators, incubators in Grenoble.
Yeah, Grenoble is well known for this. Yeah, to move from the idea to the company. Grenoble is well known for this.
But why did you decide to do this camp?
Yeah, in fact, in Grenoble, CA, which is known for atomic energy, was developing new activities in IT, as well as in health science and new energies. And around the technology, we have researchers which decide to create their own company. Because we have had success in the field of IT, for instance, ST Microelectronics, large company we created by our own researcher many years ago. And so we decide to create new company because this company, it's deep tech. So this companies, they need R&D, and so they are our customer. Because our model, we are doing public research, but we are partially funded by private industry.
Do you have examples of
Yeah. For instance, different companies. So last year there was one company in a big booster. The name was Diaboloop, developing artificial pancreas. So it was a startup working with us. We have one company, Free Optics, developing its fluorescent lamp, which helps the surgeon. So it's one of our startups, and today they have delivered much more than 100 systems worldwide, mainly in US. So in the field of health science, we have one company, PX Therapeutics, developing protein for test. So
is it easy to be global when you're in Grenoble?
Yeah, in fact, Grenoble is a city where the percentage of researcher and international researcher is higher in France, because it's a rather small city. But in fact, half of the high-tech companies in Grenoble are non-French companies. And in addition, we have a European synchrotron, European neutron facility. So many large facilities which are European one.
So you told me you were working with the United States and China?
Yeah, sure. I was in China 2 weeks ago, in India early January. And today the main customer and company are from Europe for sure, and then US and Japan. And now we are looking to open to new countries. Yeah.
And you have it also with this big booster program.
Yeah, sure.
And being in BIOVISION for you, it's important.
Yeah, because health science, we are mainly engaged in diagnostic tools, large as well as a small diagnostic tool, because one of our main issue is to miniaturize. And diagnostic needed to be portable, wearable, and so we are really in our focus.
Definitely. Thank you. Thanks a lot. It was very interesting. Thank you, Jean-Charles Guibert from the CEA in Grenoble. And we'll catch you in this edition of the BIOVISION Forum. Next guest after this jingle.